A panel of lawmakers move a bill forward that would ban nearly all abortions in South Carolina. The so-called heartbeat abortion bill would ban an abortion once a fetal heartbeat can be detected. That's usually around 6 weeks after conception. A Senate subcommittee approved the bill yesterday by a 3-2 vote, but the bill's critics say lawmakers should be focused on the pandemic.
We're really concerned that this seems to be the top priority for legislators right now. Again, taking away health care from people.
Abortion after 6 weeks will undoubtedly.
The only exception in the bill is if a mother's health is at risk. The proposal has stalled in the Senate previously, but Republicans gained 3 seats in the November election, which could help it pass this time.
President-elect Joe Biden is